Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce cheese pasta at home. Bring 2 liters of water to a rolling boil, adding 1 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Then, introduce 200 grams of your favorite pasta, cooking it until al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining. Now, let's create the base for our sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 minute, allowing the flour to cook slightly and form a smooth, light paste. This is your roux, the essential thickener for a rich sauce. With your roux ready, it's time to build the sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to your preference. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens beautifully. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Almost there, reduce the heat to low and stir in 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. Now, add your cooked pasta and the reserved pasta water, tossing everything gently to coat. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or basil, and serve your delicious white sauce cheese pasta immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.